Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about solids of revolution. And so volume of a revolution is equal to pi a to b f of x quantity squared dx. Now what this is like visually is we have this. Let's say we have this function that just looks something like this. What if we were to take this function and in between a and b we were to revolve it around the x-axis? So we would create this solid. We want to know what the volume of that solid would be. So what that would do is it would kind of make that shape on this side, and we'd wrap around and we'd have this solid from here to here that's been revolved around. Now, really, it's just kind of, we can think of it like a cylinder in a sense, because there's these little discs that we're adding up. And so the area of one of those discs is just going to be a circle. So it's just pi r squared. And r is going to be defined by f of x at each point. And so that's why it's pi f of x squared. Now, we're going to be adding these little heights from a to b. And so that's just, so it's very similar to the pi r squared h formula for the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so that's kind of the thinking behind this. Now let's just actually use it. The simplest way to look at the volume is going to be like this, y squared dx. Okay, so it says find the volume of a solid formed when the graph of the function y equals x squared in between those values is revolved through 2 pi about the x-axis. Okay, so what's going to happen? We just have x squared. We know what that looks like. From 0 to 5 looks like that. And so we're going to create kind of like a horn or like a funnel shape. So that's what we're looking at. This is going to be 5. And so we just literally need to set this up. So v equals pi, we're going to go from 0 to 5. And then we say x squared squared. Okay, x squared squared is just equal to x to the 4th. And so we take the antiderivative, evaluate from 0 to 5, keep our pi out here, plug in 5. Plug in a 0. That just goes to 0. 5 to the 5th divided by 5 is going to be 5 to the 4th. And if we do 5 to the 4th, that is 625 pi. Okay, and units cubed.